Okay, I'm outside. I have my. If many of y'all like dogs, I really do a pleasure to dogs. There's Pebbles, one of my best friend dog. Hey Pebbles, no Pebbles, and she's the most best dog ever. My Pebbles, my Pebbles. She, as you can see, she's well trained. Pebbles. There's Gizmo over there somewhere, right there. Gizmo. He's the oldest dog of our family. He's like, how, if any of y'all had math, if any of y'all know math, how old is a dog at 7 times 14? Please leave a description below if you know how old that is. That's how old my dog is. And there's my best dog, Pebbles. She's younger in the family. Bye.